Have you ever wondered or been asked by your kid why letter A sounds different in cat and cake? Or why words like cub and cube are pronounced differently? Well, you're not alone. The sounds of the English letters vary quite a bit. Each of the 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U can make 2 different sounds. For example, the letter A sounds different in cat and different in the word cake. As I told you, each vowel can make 2 sounds, a short sound and a long sound. In some cases, they remain silent too. When the vowel makes the sound of a particular letter, it is a short vowel. For example, cat. When the vowel sounds like the letter's name, then it's a long vowel. For example, cake. Now, if you had closely noticed the pronunciation of cat and cake, the sound of the letter A is a, cat, a. But the sound of the name of the letter is a. So when we pronounce the sound of the letter, it's a short vowel, and when we pronounce the name of the letter, a, it's a long vowel. Cat, cake, cub, cube. There are a few rules to bear in mind while learning the long sound and the short sound of vowels. I've put them down in the description below. Don't forget to hit the follow button and drop your comments below.